The Reality Weft Weaver, Code Breaker magic system is a sophisticated framework that treats the universe as a living simulation. In this extended version, we explore the deep mechanics of how threads, nodes, the Weft, and grids function as a unified technology for altering existence. 1. Threads, the binary of experience. In this system, a thread is the smallest observable unit of causality. Every person, object, and potential event is a sequence of information vibrating at a specific frequency. The anatomy of a thread: each thread has a source, where it began, and an apex, its intended destination. Thread states: threads can be taut, active and manifest, slack, dormant or potential, or frayed, unstable and prone to glitching. The magical act: a weaver doesn't just wish for things, they pluck a slack thread of a desired outcome, e.g., a specific career path, and begin to feed it will information until it becomes taut. 2. Nodes, the processing hubs. Nodes are where the processing power of reality is concentrated. They are the collision points where multiple threads intersect to create a definitive event. Natural nodes, places like ancient ruins, ley lines, or liminal spaces, hallways, airports at night, where the code of reality is thin. Artificial nodes, created by human collective attention. A viral trend, a stadium during a game, or even a heavy family secret can create a dense node. Code breaking technique: a code breaker looks for looping nodes, patterns where a person repeats the same mistakes. By breaking the node, you release all the trapped threads, allowing them to reorganize into a new pattern. 3. The Weft, the interactive layer. If the warp is the static laws of physics, gravity, time, the Weft is the filler threads, the choices and variables we control. The loom of the present, the Weft is the only place where change is possible because it represents the right access layer of the reality code. Reweaving, this is the core practice. It involves entering a state of gnosis, deep focus, to unpick a thread from a negative node and re-stitch it into a positive one. This is often visualized as physically moving glowing lines in the air or rewriting lines of light code. 4. Grids, the operating system. The grid is the massive, invisible geometric structure that organizes all nodes and threads. It is the program running a specific reality. The consensus grid, the shared reality we all agree on, social norms, physical laws. Personal grids, your individual belief system that filters which threads you can even see. The code breaker mindset. This magic teaches that most people are NPCs, non-player characters, who follow the grid blindly. A code breaker learns to perceive the grid's geometry. If you know the grid's shape, you can find backdoors, shortcuts through time or space that bypass normal causal effort. Summary of the Weaver's workflow. 1. Scanning, analyze the grid to see the current layout of your life. 2. Locating, find the node that is causing a bottleneck or glitch in your progress. 3. Isolation. Identify the specific thread, habit, person, or event that is fueling that node. 4. Hacking/weaving, use code breaker, symbols, sigils, to disrupt the node's energy and rethread the path toward a new apex. This system essentially teaches that imagination is the keyboard, intent is the code, and reality is the screen. By mastering these 4 components, the practitioner moves from being a subject of fate to a programmer of chance.